Preparation of lubrication point. Clean the lubrication point prior to installation to protect the inside of the bearing against contamination. Remove the grease nipple and check the thread size for the Perma reducer. Apply thread sealant to the reducer and to all other connecting parts and screw them into the lubrication point. Pre-fill lubrication point and all accessory parts with lubricant. Be sure to use the same lubricant that is filled into your lubrication system. Always follow the manufacturer lubrication instructions. For remote installations, please ensure that all accessories and grease lines are pre-filled with grease. Activation. Our free Perma Select software or the chart in the Perma catalog can assist you in finding the most suitable discharge period for your application. Push the Perma STAR VARIO battery set into the bottom of the drive unit until it locks into place. As soon as the battery has correctly locked into place, the system will start a self-test to check the motor, the display and the LEDs. Place the drive unit on the LC, ensuring that the teeth of both parts interlock. Turn the threaded ring on the LC unit until the white arrows are completely visible. To access the menu, hold down the Set button for more than 5 seconds. The blinking line shows that the desired LC size can be selected. Push the button to select size 60, 120 or 250. The system now moves to the setting for the discharge period. Each push of the button will increase the discharge period by 1 month. The discharge period can be selected from 1 to 12 months. Settings can be changed at any time by following the same procedure. After the lubrication system is programmed for the first time, the system saves all settings and shuts off. Write the activation and the expected replacement date into the intended field on the lubricator label before installation. Installation. Remove the outlet plug from the lubricator and screw the lubrication system into the lubrication point hand tight. To switch on, push the Set button for at least 1 second. The green LEDs will blink to indicate that the system is working error-free. After the discharge period has elapsed, the Perma STAR LC needs to be replaced with a new LC filled with the same lubricant. You must also exchange the old battery with a new one. For correct disposal of Perma STAR VARIO and the empty battery, please follow the individual waste disposal regulations in your country. For more information, please check the operating instructions.